Koia, ko te whakatipuranga tuatoru o te whānau Maruera kia te whakaako i te kapa whakaihu waka o te rohe o Rangitāne, ara ia Te Tū Mataora. Ka eke rātou ki te atamira a ngā wiki tatanei o tira a enei rangi whakatānei te ahurei o Tangata Rau. Hei tā ngā rangatahi nei o te whānau Maruera i whānau mai rātou ki te ao kapa haka nō rātou te whakamānawa kia tū hei pauako.
Kua huri te tahi, kua hara mai te tira hou. Nā runga nō tā mātou nei e whāngai, nōku no mātou ke te Waimaria.
Standing in front of everyone, it can be nerve-wracking, especially when they're the ones that has tutored you. But at the end of the day, that's the job that we were born into. We have no other choice but to be that role model for not only our up and coming, but for our elders like Pāpe, Ngāti and that.
This year, I've taken the role of being one of the leads for the singing with Auntie Jules. So I'm absorbing as much as I can learn from her, taking it all in.
I've been in and out of a bit of everything. This campaign I've helped with the singing side of things. I've helped with the instrumental side of things, the guitar and all of that. But my main, I guess, thing that I've been helping with this year is like actions, creative sides of things, alongside Amo and a few others.
Te reanga tuatoru o taku tātai. Ko whai huruhuru me ki roto i tō tātou whare. Kua kei reira tonu mātou, ko kiriti ana, ko Nick, ko mātou ngā pāpā, ngā māma, e whāngai tonu ana i a tātou tamariki engari. Ko whai huruhuru rātou i tēnei hurunga, ki arahi tō tātou nei whānau, tō tātou nei whare, i runga i te whakapono.
You know, I love working with my siblings most of the time. Yep. No, but it's cool just being able to work with them.
We are grateful for the opportunities that being, in this position gives us, because not everyone has that opportunity. So we take it and we enjoy it. You know, there's nothing else, there's nothing more that we know. We only know this lifestyle.
Ko te painga rātou i tipu ake i ngā tūkanga, i ngā ture, i ngā whakapono o tō tātou whare. Me te manako nui ia, kia heke iho ngā taonga o rātou, o aku tupuna, o te mātou katoa i te ao haka.
It's been a cool experience. As I said before, something new for us. And I guess the good thing about this happening early is, I guess, with us and the rest of the group, we've got a head start into the future, whatever that looks like. So yeah, it's definitely had its challenges, more challenges than I think we were all expecting, but it's all right, and hopefully in a couple of weeks' time it pays off.